Good morning. I am Dr. R. Anandan, Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering from Wales Institute of Science, Technology and Advanced Studies. I am presenting this paper along with my student, Mr. Deepak. The title we have selected is Internet of Things as a Game Changer for COVID-19 Patient Monitoring. I first of all thank the management for giving us an opportunity to present this paper. Nowadays, you all know that healthcare environment is playing a major role in the IT sector, and the patient monitoring is an important task in that it uses the sensor technology and internet to communicate for efficient access. To track the patient's health, a microcontroller is interfaced to LCD display and a Wi-Fi connection to send the data to the web server. This system is mainly developed for a real-time monitoring of vital parameters of the patient. Based on the vital parameter of the patient health is monitored periodically. This vital information gives the full history of the patient recorded in the day-to-day environment. To develop the mobile application-based interface, we used to interconnect the IoT, blockchain, and artificial intelligence with the patient monitoring system. Nowadays, you all know that COVID-19 has been spreading very widely in all over the world. So the monitoring of the patient has become very tedious day by day. To monitor these type of patients, it is necessary to hold an IoT-based efficient system to monitor them regularly. And nowadays, we are deploying the robotics for supplying the food and medicine to those patients. In all developed countries, these types of robots are developed. So this IoT system which we have developed monitors the robots which works for in the place of the doctors as well as for the nurses who undertake the patients. This IoT enabled system we monitor the patient regularly, and the report is gradually sent to the mobile and laptop of the individual as well as the doctor, and the precautions are taken in day-by-day procedures. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Deepak B.S. I am pursuing my BE Computer Science and Engineering at Wales Institute of Science, Technology and Advanced Studies, Pallavaram. First of all, I would like to thank my college management and my professor Dr. R. Anandan for providing me this opportunity. As previously explained by my professor, the title of our project is Internet of Things as a Game Changer for COVID-19 Patient Monitoring. Introduction. The novel coronavirus, also known as human coronavirus, is a virus that leads to the coronavirus disease 2019. This disease is popularly known as COVID-19. This coronavirus belongs to the beta coronaviruses type of human coronaviruses. Moreover, this virus is similar to its ancestors, the severe acute respiratory syndrome SARS and Middle East respiratory syndrome MERS. The first case of COVID-19 was recorded at Wuhan, the capital city of Hubei province, China. Recent research on COVID-19 have started to prove that the personal protective equipments like N95 respirators or the face masks used by the frontline workers are evolving to become inefficient towards the novel coronavirus. This means that the frontline workers who risk their lives to treat the victims are no longer absolutely safe. Problem. The social factor that is supporting the transmission of virus from patients to frontline workers across the hospitals of a country is the lack of efficient organization techniques to follow and lack of innovation in the hospital management. These drawbacks contribute to a wide spectrum of operational challenges like errors in staffing, etc. Moreover, our hospitals lack automation in management services. Hence, our work aims to challenge these drawbacks using today's cutting-edge technologies, wherein we propose a systemized tracking mechanism between patients and frontline workers that can be implemented to make patient monitoring through his or her treatment or quarantine a cakewalk instead of risking the lives of frontline workers. Since this work centralizes patients around its monitoring components, we call it the patient-centered monitoring. The Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, also known as IoT, is a system of interrelated computing devices provided with an unique identifier and the ability to transfer data over network without requiring human-to-human or human-to-computer interaction. The definition of the Internet of Things has evolved due to the convergence of multiple technologies like real-time analytics, machine learning, commodity sensors, and embedded systems. The main concept of a network of smart devices was discussed as early as 1982 with a modified Coca-Cola vending machine at the Carnegie Mellon University becoming the first internet-connected appliance that was able to report its inventory and whether newly loaded drinks were cold or not. Ever since then, the IoT has evolved into a lot of commercial applications. One such commercial application of IoT is the Internet of Medical Things, also known as IoMT. The Internet of Medical Things is an application of IoT for medical and health related purposes, data collection and analysis for research and monitoring. The IoMT has been referred as smart healthcare as the technology for creating a digitized healthcare system connecting available medical resources and healthcare services. Specialized sensors can also be equipped within living spaces to monitor the health and general well-being of senior citizens while also ensuring the proper treatment is being administered and people regain lost mobility via therapy as well. Working methodology. The idea is to develop a mobile application-based social interface incorporated with IoT, blockchain and AI between patients, doctors and management to bring out transparency between a doctor and a patient right from the beginning of the treatment till the end. Initially, every doctor and the service provider will be provided an RFID card with a unique 128-bit hash ID as his or her identification ID, to which his or her corresponding personal and professional details including the patient histories and code of conduct will be stored in a decentralized network using public ledgers. Simultaneously, RFID card readers will be set up in every department or in fact every room to track the status and location of a doctor or a service provider. This would be a better solution to track a doctor or a service provider in a complex and multi-building hospitals and also will restrict unauthorized access to restricted location or can even restrict him or her to his or her workplace only. Every COVID-19 suspect and the victim will be provided a RFID card with a unique 128-bit hash ID as a patient identification ID to which the corresponding personal and medical details including his or her history of treatments and bills due will be. In terms of an emergency admission, the same shall be attached to his or her bed. Patients' beds across all the departments of the hospital will be equipped with tablets and RFID card readers. Once a patient is admitted into a bed of a department, his or her RFID card should be scanned to get the patient's details from the public ledger on the screen. This is a pictorial representation of the steps described in the previous slide. The first picture depicts the admission of a patient into the hospital. Once a patient approaches a hospital for any treatment, he or she will be analyzed by a doctor and will be admitted into the hospital. He or she will be provided with a wearable RFID tag during the admission, which the patient will have to wear in his or her wrist as long as the patient is treated within the hospital premises. The doctor who initially analyzed the patient will link his report to the RFID of the corresponding patient. Once the patient is moved to a bed, his or her RFID tag should be scanned in the RFID reader attached to the bed to map the bed to the patient and to set up the mobile application installed in the tablet attached to the bed with the reports of the corresponding patient. Further, when a duty doctor visits the patient, the doctor will simply scan their own personal RFID tag in the RFID reader attached to the bed to view the details of the patient in the tablet. The second picture depicts the admission of a doctor into the hospital. Once a new doctor joins the hospital, he or she will be analyzed by the senior-most doctor and will be provided a RFID tag upon successful admission into the hospital. Every day, when a doctor starts his or her duty, the RFID tag will be assigned with essential authorizations and permissions required for the duty. This indeed prevents frontliners from unauthorized access to unnecessary locations, files, etc. Coming back to the working methodology, only authorized doctors and service providers will be provided access to modify or update the corresponding records of that department. Whenever transport or movement of any patient is scheduled and updated, the corresponding duty professional shall be located and made available on no delay. Every vital function monitor will be incorporated with an IoT chip and an RFID card reader to monitor the vitals of the patient in the fixed interval of once in 30 minutes. At times of any miscellaneous drop in the vital, an automated alarm shall be triggered in duty nurse and duty doctor's mobiles. Finally, caretaker of the patient shall be provided login credentials to the mobile app of the hospital, where he or she will be given a detailed report of the patient along with the patient's treatments and medications. Conclusions and future work. We believe the successful implementation of this work in the hospitals will be able to reduce the impact of COVID-19, because the current inefficient organization techniques followed in the hospitals and lack of innovation in hospital management are the two major drawbacks of our hospitals. Since this work targets and fulfills these drawbacks, it should surely be able to support successful rebuilding of Bharat from COVID-19. This framework can be extended to operate robots, in fact to replace the frontliners with robots like Civili, carrying the caretakers of COVID-19, a robot developed by Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, or Siasen, a robotic nurse developed by robot maker Siasen. Thank you.